Hi, I'm Katie from Create, Play, Travel. We are on a month-long adventure with our kids exploring the United Kingdom. Our family spent just a few days in Wales, but during that time, we went on a great family hike along the Four Waterfalls Walk. We explored Caldicot Castle and stayed in a double-decker bus. Near the waterfalls, we also checked out a super cool cave in Brecon Beacons National Park.
So that doesn't look scary.
You're so scared? That's what I heard. No, we're not going very far into here.
Of course, while adventuring with kids, it's important to have a solid plan. We wore good hiking shoes and brought water and snacks. We noticed in the UK countryside, the sheep owners mark their sheep with a dab of colored spray paint. I'm guessing this is to identify different flocks. The hiking trail to the waterfalls was pretty easy to navigate with kids.
This is a pretty lane.
We went to the biggest waterfall called Sgwd, which has a path you can walk on behind the cascading water.
It looks like it's simple enough to walk around. Right, just watch your step. Yeah, but just let me hold your hand right here.
Look how wide it is.
Go ahead. Alright. Yeah, stay in that little channel there. Yeah.
Overall, this was a great hiking destination in Wales.
Be very careful.
Another day we visited Caldicot Castle, and we went on a self-guided tour of the grounds. We're going to explore Caldicot Castle. Our kids tried on the dress-up clothes in the Great Hall and had fun exploring the towers and gardens. Nearby, in local parks and ponds, we saw many beautiful swans. Our last night in Wales, we stayed overnight in a double-decker bus, which we reserved through Airbnb. The renovated bus had plenty of space for our family to recharge for another day of adventuring. You can watch a full video of our double-decker bus Airbnb overnight on our channel. We had a memorable few days in Wales. For more family adventures, visit createplaytravel.com.